How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be taking the door panels off of this GMC Acadia. We're going to start off with the rear door panel. All you should need is a plastic pry bar and a size 7 socket. First we're going to remove our cover. You have it right behind the grab handle. Just kind of pull it out, just a little cover. That should show 2 of the size 7 screws. We'll go ahead and get those out. The third screw is going to be kind of underneath the speaker over here, kind of hidden underneath the door panel. Now that we have our 3 screws out, we can grab our plastic pry bar. I like to start at the bottom corner, kind of just make room for the pry bar. Kind of just get it started, then use my fingertips for the rest of the way. Once you have it like this, where it's free on the bottom and on the sides, the only thing you really have to worry about is this locking mechanism. It'll stay behind, so don't pry the door panel out. Kind of just get it free. Wiggle up from the side closest to the car, and then kind of work it up and over that lock, kind of like so. But yeah, that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Now we're on the front door, pretty much the same process. We'll go ahead and get our cover out from behind the grab handle. Go ahead and remove our 2 screws. Don't forget about the one below the speaker. Grab your plastic pry bar, kind of find some room. This one you won't have that door lock up top, so we can just go ahead and just kind of weasel it up. Kind of like so. Alright, kind of just holding the door panel. Just want to go ahead and show you guys, you have one big wiring harness right here that has this little flip up gray piece. So that's the only wiring harness you have. And then the door handle cable right over here. So you just kind of pinch down, pull out, ball style. But yeah, that's how you remove the front and rear door on a GMC Acadia. Thanks for watching.